Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. If you just stopped by, I would be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. Today I'm participating in a challenge called Pink Winter Decor Challenge 2020 and is hosted by Antonette of Ant's Place and co-hosted by Shule of MystyleMycolours and Tammy of Queen of DIY and Shelley of Pretty Inspired Decor. And all of them are like amazing creators and they love pink and glam style. And if you're somebody who like that, I would recommend you to watch their channel, and I'll leave the link in the description box of their channels, and also the link of all the playlist of all the participants will also be in the description box. So if you know me, you know that I make all my projects based off Dollar Tree items. So again, I have everything from Dollar Tree. So let me show what all I have here. And this is one of the white boa that I'm going to use, and one of the pink ribbon, and some pink flowers, and some vase fillers or table scatters, and I have a clear ornament and white reindeers and some sparkles. So with all these things, I'm going to do the initial preparations and I'll be back. So this is the final result of all the projects of Pink Winter Christmas, and I created this Christmas tree from a plastic tumbler, and I stuck boa around it, the white one, and I stuck that vase filler, the pink ones, on top of it to give like an ornament look to it, and I stuck bow on the top. And the next one is clear ornament, and I filled pink flowers into it, and I stuck a pink bow from a pink ribbon and stuck some of the shiny berries. And these are the cute reindeers, the white one, and they got like nice pink sparkles on top of it. Stuck one of the flower, the pink flower, and the silver, the vase filler, and stuck one of the pink feather as a hat, and did the same for the other one. And I scattered all the vase filler to just give the decor. And this is one of the Christmas tree from Dollar Tree again. And I arranged everything on this white runner, table runner. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing, and click on the bell icon to see more videos like this. And yeah, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.